little video for our friends south of the border. I was joking on last night's Sunday night hang that we hadn't got any snow yet, but if you see the glass, that's not frosted. I'm going to see if I can fire up that snowblower. Not the car. Snowblower. That's not the motor for the car. So let's see what we have out here. Oh joy. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Yep. We got... Yeah. Oh yeah. That's oh yeah, that's not cool. This is all right. Well, this drift is up to my knees, so that's about 18 inches. That drift is about 3 feet, getting up to almost armpit. Okay, hang on. Do we have to go all the way out to check the mail? Nope, no mail. Imagine that. Look at that. Look at that. There's the major highway. She's desolate, is what I'm saying. Yeah. Don't you love winter? All right. Well, I suppose I should get to work. Tune into Canucks with Guitars tonight. All right, a quick part 2 to this. I realized the first video's on it. So I put gas in. I don't know. Will it fire up right away? Where did they put the switch on this thing again? There's like an on-off. Oh, there it is. All right. Let's do a little choke. Where's the nipple thing? There we go. Yeah, that works like nothing. Choke it right off. All right, well that's jostling. I'm gonna just pause this. Guess what didn't want to fire up? Yeah, and open up the garage door. Yeah. So, I don't know. For perspective, let's grab here. All right, so we got farm implement comes up to armpit. So let's say it's at least 4 feet tall, and sinking in to the ground. Yeah. Here, I gotta do it sideways. It's a lot. So I'm gonna start shoveling because, again, stupid contraption wouldn't fire up. All right, hopefully we'll see you. I don't know, Canucks tonight if I'm alive. Sure. Cheers, folks. All right. One last progress report because I'm already slightly winded. Hey, look, I made it outside. Yeah. Yeah, that windshield wiper is basically above my elbow with my arm hanging down, so yeah, fun. All right, this is it. I'm doing more shoveling and then uploading this.